Hi, my name's Richard Lang, and I'm the owner and editor at langpublication.com. Just want to take a couple of minutes and tell you how we got started, where we've came from, and where we're heading. Started out building PowerPoint decks for corporate sales applications. We found that by using the visual illustrations and graphics, we could dramatically reduce the sales cycles where we'd meet with someone 6 or 7 times to close a financial deal. If we used the PowerPoint images, you could close the sale in about half that time. People learn 15% what comes through their auditory channels in their ears, and about 85% of what they learn and retain is what they see visually. In 2009, like a lot of people, I lost my job in the financial services industry due to the recession that resulted from the financial crisis of 2008 and 2009. So I went to work for a publisher. I was an editor, and my job was to write technical reports about software applications, although the subject matter was a little boring. Essentially, what we would do is get on conference calls with writers and salespeople, and they'd tell us how they wanted to market their product, and the writers would write the base of the report up. I would put the graphics and do the design work that I learned from the PowerPoint days and put the whole thing together and publish the report. The reports are usually 60, 80 pages long, and I did that for a year. For the last 8 or 9 years, I've been helping people publish their books, self-publishing as it were. Essentially what someone will do is they'll send me a manuscript that's in a Microsoft Word document. And what we'll do everything else. We format the book for printing, put the pictures and the graphics in there, size them up. We create the book covers, the graphics for the book covers and the backs, and then we send them off to the printer. And a few days later, the client gets a box of books shipped to their house. We also upload their digital edition on Kindle. And the reason that that's become so popular is that if you look back at 2005, Amazon introduced the first Kindle. And since then, last 15 years, 80% of all the published content, all the books published on this planet are available on Kindle. So you can see that the trend is definitely working its way there, and if you publish, you definitely want to be on Kindle. And sometimes they actually make more money on the Kindle editions than they do on the printed books, which is really interesting. With the evolution of the digital age, our latest work is with video. Video is becoming more and more popular and more powerful. If a picture's worth 1,000 words, 1 minute of video is worth 18 million words. So you can sort of see where I'm going with that. We built a studio in Central Virginia, very spacious, acoustic paneling, sound equipment, the latest and greatest camera equipment. And we can create really incredible video content here at the studio where I'm sitting right now. We also are able to operate mobily, so we can film on location and help people with training and different types of services that can be streamed on Facebook and YouTube. So that's just a short version of where I wanted to go with this. I'll talk to you next time on the next video, and thanks for listening. And if you would hit the subscribe button, we'd be really grateful.